and welcome back to our channel. Today, what are we making?
What are we making today? I'm so curious.
Today,
But the thing is that we need to make it very quickly because we are waiting for our food. So our Greek moussaka is in the oven. So while it's preparing, we need to
wrap this up. But don't worry, it'll still be unusual.
Okay, so let's do it. What are we making?
We are making animal masks. Let's see
That
what we
sounds
have.
good.
We have cards, paint brushes, garlic paint, because this paint dries very fast.
Acrylic paint.
Yes, acrylic paint. We have paint pots, glitter, confetti, and lots more. Let's get started.
Okay.
We have cards here, and we're using cards because it's more thicker than original paint.
Thank you so much.
And we need that.
Paper.
Yeah. And we're not using original paper because that would be just make it too wrinkly and a bit,
And actually, if you don't have something like that, you can always cut out the piece from your cereal box.
Yep.
Okay, so what are we making? What
We're
are
gonna
we
start
starting with?
by drawing, maybe right in the middle, a huge circle.
Okay.
But leave some side because how we always recycle, those parts can be the ears or the nose or the...
Okay, let's do
Now,
it.
what are you making? I am making a lion.
Oh, you're making lion.
You can make a panda.
Something good. What should I make? Something very simple and easy. So the one that the one I actually can make.
It should be a panda or a butterfly. A panda is easy. Just like a bear but black and white.
I'll try. Okay, let's get started.
So, if you can make a large circle by maybe using a plate or whatever, but we don't have that today, so we are freehanding it. Let's get our pens. Or markers. So, just freehand it if you like. Try to make it the best it could be.
Okay, so the shape, of the animal.
Not really the shape, just the circle.
The face.
Yeah.
Something like this.
Something. I think mine is too big.
Mine looks like potato.
I'm doing mine again because it's big. See? Perfect.
Yep.
And now, just cut out on the sides here. Cut out like a big chunk. But don't cut out where the line is. Like that. Because this will be useful. Now, before we cut it out,
Wait,
as in the circle.
Okay.
Before we cut out the circle, we're gonna color like not the part with the glitter and all that, just like the main colors with the pens.
Okay. So now what are we doing?
With the pens, we draw the part what we want.
Okay. Can you show me?
Okay, a panda. But a panda is
I don't know. I'm not sure
Yeah.
that I'm gonna make a panda.
The ears would be somewhere like that. Just make a draw butterfly on it.
Butterfly. Oh, this? I already made a circle. Which butterfly you want me to
Or you
draw?
can make a 3D
Or
butterfly.
cocoon.
You can make a 3D butterfly and sticky should be sticking out very modern.
Should I make a cocoon out of it?
Make a 3D butterfly. A 3D butterfly.
3D but really?
Okay,
Maybe
just-
40
okay.
butterflies? If I would know how to make
Let's
it
see.
in the first
Panda.
place.
And then black and white.
Okay.
See, circle white. Look,
Okay, show to our friends.
like a
Actually.
bear. This is somewhere like the panda. Just like a bear that's black and white.
Mine is not black and white anymore because you didn't give me the pen. So now, okay, anyway, let's.
So now I'm drawing, let's say, the face of the mane and face on the line, because the line is quite simple. I'm drawing a man line, so they could be fluffy mane. Then I'm gonna just do with markers, and here. So we're gonna do like a kind of cat, like, because mine is a type cat. So we're gonna do the eyes, which is gonna you cut out.
I still have no idea what it's gonna be. Look.
It should be a Greek mask, because Greek masks are like that.
I still don't know, but we'll see. We'll see how it's gonna turn
I
out.
think I'm not drawing. I think
Oh, it's so cute. I like the little mouth.
I'm doing a kitty with a very funny hairstyle like this. So this is gonna be the pizza thing. And I just whiskers like that, very lightly on the sides. And then maybe like little dots, because they have like these dots on near their mouth and across their whiskers like this.
Oh, so cute. Look at my green lashes. Look.
Green.
Uh-huh.
Now, I think I've done the template of the cat, not a line anymore. Now I'm gonna paint it very lightly and quickly. This,
Do we need to cut out the eye part?
yes.
Ah, we need. Okay. So, do we do it before we paint or after? After.
Because in case if it gets all over the place when you paint.
Okay.
So I'm making a very fancy cat and using dark blue.
Oh, my favorite color. I love this color.
It's a cat's favorite color.
I think red.
So what are you doing? So I'm using that, and then just gonna dab, 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 dab. Or you can use a brush. I'm using
Oh, you didn't open this one. Okay, I'm gonna be the first one
to open.
to open.
Yep. And now put it on as much as paint you need. Now look, this is going very, very unusual.
I like your cat. It's so cute.
Dab.
And you said that with acrylic paint you need to work very fast, yeah?
Yeah.
Otherwise it's gonna dry out.
Yes. But it's also good that it dries out,
Yeah.
because it'll dry out fast.
Okay.
Starting
what
to
else?
look like this.
And then it's oh, God.
That one's always hard to open. See? Getting good, getting good, getting good. So, I think my cat's a bit has a weird fever or a little funky beard.
Yeah, actually it's all over the place. It's like you used to do it when you were 4. Okay. But this paint is drying so quickly.
That's why
Look,
you
I
need a
cannot
lot.
even do
That's why you
anything
need
yet.
a lot of paint.
Oh my god, wait. Stop drying so quickly.
Does she feel sick? Or
You,
she
you
feel
know
sick?
what?
Does she
now-
feel sick?
No, you know what? Now I know actually exactly what it is.
What?
It's not an animal. Can you guess? It's not an animal.
It's a vomiting person.
No.
It's a person who's about to vomit.
No. It's actually not a person. It's an alien. Does it look like that? You see the eyes. Like before, from my childhood, when it was, the movies about aliens, they were always.
Now he has the fever all over his face.
Let me see.
Oh. I can't even. Well, this is going amazing. I think this should be in the museum. Look at our masterpieces.
Did you finish? Wait for me.
No, I'm not even near finishing. Quickly, before he dries out.
But his acrylic paint, wow. I'm sure it's amazing. It's gonna stay for long. But guys, if you
want to
very
take
good
time
like
on
me,
this,
if you're very good like me, choose
if you want
another
to
one.
take time on this, you
Choose
want to
another one. Really.
Okay, there we go. Now, just quickly with the marker, I'm gonna go over the eyes and mouth and all that. So it'll be able to see. See, look at my cat. You see, I'm just going over with marker the lines so you can see them clearly.
Or can we do the hair as well?
You can.
I love my little alien, to be honest with you.
Always like a face.
Okay, can we do the hair? But when you cut out the mask, how the hair gonna look like?
That is what I thought. So here, I'm not doing hair. You can do like this.
And just cut out with the hair.
Yeah, like this.
Ah, okay. Good think.
I'm not doing it. I'm doing an original blue cat.
Because I give you my alien a little bit of hair. So
Green hair,
Which hair?
purple, pink.
Maybe what is that?
It's red.
No. Probably this color. Yellow ochre. Okay, let's
It's orange. So my cat is getting quite funky. Ta-da! Now, before I cut out the whole thing, I'm gonna cut out the eyes.
Oh, are you cutting out already?
Wait, actually I'm not because I didn't outline the eyes. I'm not done.
Ah, okay.
Just saying.
Oh, my alien is
Yep. Ta-da! And then if it's still a bit wet, while when we cut it, and I'm cutting.
Are you cutting already?
Okay,
Okay, you can start cutting.
I'm just gonna explain. Oh wow. So when if it's a little bit, you know, still a little bit damp, you can, after you cut it, we will show you the little parts like ears. You want to give it funky ears as well?
I don't think that there is a place for me to give you in ears.
On his hair like that.
No. I know what? I'm not doing any. You know why? Because the aliens, their ears, you cannot see them. They're like that. So the alien is like that. Okay, I'm cutting out.
I'm already started.
But it's still damp, actually.
That's why we cut it, and we're gonna do some little designs.
Okay, I'll start from here. I think here is more or less, but top, not really.
This is the cat. Blue cat.
I love your blue cat.
Now
So
I'm just
funky.
gonna fold it lightly like this and make a crack in it. Like this, you see? Not like last time, how I made it a cut when I needed to cut eyes out. Cut right through in the middle, but not in the middle of the eye. Now, cutting out very carefully.
Oh my god.
Show them,
Wait,
our friends, you are.
I'm trying to cut out the eye. Oops, sorry.
Be careful.
I nearly ruined my mask. How to cut out the eye?
You make a crack in the middle.
Yeah, I know, but because it's very damp, I don't want to.
Mine is damp and it works.
Because you're good in art.
You
Not
too,
like
kind of.
someone else. Kinda. Thank you very
One
much.
hole. Look.
Look, I did it. Look how cute.
Cute.
Actually, you know what? You can make something like that for the next Halloween. Or if you want to scare your parents at home. Something from the dark,
Good idea.
from the dark corner of your house.
Good idea.
Okay, what else can we do?
Now after you cut, remember the
Look.
string. Oh, yeah.
Ah, the string.
Because when you put the glitter and all that, it would be quite hard to put the string because you need to let it, you see my
should
two
I-
eyes.
Where should I put the glitter?
Now, before I do the glitter, I'm gonna cat out. I said cat out.
Cat out. I think our
Cat
food
out.
is ready actually.
By the way, you can also just say stop without having to stop. Okay, followed by Google.
Okay, thank you, Google. We know that our moussaka is ready.
Now I'm making
Oh my
ears
God.
for my cat.
Okay. Oops, I'm sorry.
Who are you saying that?
No, you know how
Now I'm gonna paint my little ears. Well, not mine, but you get it.
Okay. Oh my God, so messy.
I need more. Oh my god. Oh my god. That is quite a
I
masterpiece.
love it.
Wait.
It is actually a masterpiece. It
I'm
is a masterpiece.
I'm still painting.
Look, I'm putting glitter on her lips. Look,
Oh wow.
how beautiful.
Oh, I thought completely.
So dressy. Oh my God, I have so many glitter. Do you need glitter? Can I put some a little bit? more?
Fine, I don't.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that's a little. That's not a little.
Look, I made her cat a little bit
Now
more
these
funkier.
are my little ears that I'm gonna.
Can I do the cheeks as well?
No.
No.
Do it on yours.
Yeah, but I don't know. It's stuck permanent.
Stuck permanent.
I know. No, it's fine.
Of course it won't.
Look how beautiful. And what else we need to do? The last touches?
The last touch is like more glitter
Ah.
and confetti, and you can do little parts with tips, and you can also do like maybe some parts with also paint. Different. This is my cat with 1 year with the glitter fever.
With the glitter fever. And
Wait.
this one is my girl Ellen. She's so pretty. Look.
Girl.
Have you ever seen something prettier than this? Like, is it? I mean,
Now, I have to put glitter to match this glitter. But I am putting silver because blue and silver.
and what is this for? This
Oh,
one?
that's the string, so it'll hold on your head. And can you open this, please?
Yeah, I'll try because it's very actually hard. Yeah.
Now, I'm gonna get some
And the
glitter.
string.
Now, please don't knock this. Oh,
Did you bring the punch hole?
cut it out. Cut it out. With
Yeah,
your-
but where is the punch hole? We had it before.
use what you have.
Okay, wait.
No, fold it lightly and cut it a little crust. So you'll do.
Okay.
Look at my designer. It's where it has makeup. Let's see. Ta-da! Oh god. Glitter. Oh my god, I have glitter all over me.
Ooh, glitter girl.
Look at this. Look at these little silver cheeks. Look at it.
Oh my god, the cutest cat ever.
And the glitter. It's booking glitter everywhere.
Okay. Now.
And I think I'm gonna give it a little bit glitter on its ears to look so cute. Look so cute.
Oh my god.
Hello.
Okay. So what else can I do
You can
make
put
it
the confetti
prettier.
there. You can put the confetti.
to make it prettier?
One side done. And the other
Oh
one.
my god.
Is she the cutest alien you've ever seen? Or is she the only alien you've ever seen?
It's the first mask I ever made of alien.
Really?
Or any mask for this matter, actually.
Okay.
Okay.
Well,
Ta-da! Should we?
1, 2,
Two,
3,
three.
the real.
Hello.
Wait.
Shall we? Wow. I love it. I love it. I hope you liked our ideas.
Yep, and I made one a little bit earlier. It's another design that you could always make. It's a tiger.
Shall we? Oh, it is the cutest tiger. The
And remember, you
cutest
could
tiger.
also do different designs. This is just few of them. Bye.
Thank you for watching.